Good morning, everyone. Renee here with 5 Min Makeover. Thank you for joining me. So Mr. Lover has a meeting in 11 minutes, so I figured I would do a quickie because, okay, how long do you spend putting on your makeup every morning? Okay, now I'm doing my dark circle hack, even though I don't really need it, but until you guys grab the Under Eye Rewind Cream, use a red lip liner. I like using Primal if your skin tone is more warm. The color Popular is a good neutralizer. Red neutralizes the darkness, okay? And generally you would use the same color concealer as your foundation. I grabbed Organza, but I wear chiffon, so I'm kind of breaking my own rule. Remember, when you get your spray, shake it, shake it, shake it. Caden, shut that door, please. I've been getting attacked by beetles. Shut the door, please. Yeah, I'm live and he leaves the door open.
Coming back in.
Okay, just keep it shut, son.
Of course.
Now, I'm always talking about brushes. The Kabuki brush really is the best brush to get the best flawless blend on your face, okay? So share with me, what brush do you use to put on your makeup? Okay? Before Younique, you know how many of you guys saw my pre-Younique skin picture? Yeah. Pepperoni Connect the Dot Zip Face girl. I used my fingers. Even if we dump bleach on our fingers, ew. Finger gunk is going to get stuck on our pores, so if you use your fingers, I guarantee you probably have big pores, cystic acne, stuff gets clogged. See, I use the stick foundation, 3 shades darker. Quick contour, woohoo! And cleaning brushes is vital. I swear by this. You just squirt it on. So look, I'll show you. And it sanitizes and cleans your brush, and it's instantly dry and ready to, look at that. Eee! So a good brush cleaner, you know, clean your pillowcase. Because, you know, when you sleep, funk can get built up on your pillowcase. That can also contribute to skin isms. Okay, some quick blush. I'm telling you guys, man, I'm fast. Like for me, it's mom duties pre-world ending. You know, I would have 10 minutes to get out of the house every day. Okay, the brow liner is back in stock. I do prefer the brow palette, but unfortunately that is one of our gone forever items. But the brow liners are back in stock, so I like using the dark. You know, I go by the general rule. Darker or lighter the hair, darker the brows, even though my hair is like blue, purple, and hot pink right now. You know, that changes daily, right? The brows are the archways to our face. Okay, let me set this. And when we take that, like, what, 20 seconds per brow, just to fill them in right quick, it makes us look younger. And when you walk around and like eat, drink, be merry, you know, when you meet people, whether it's online, I want you guys to think about it, like subconsciously, that's one of the first things that we notice when we look at someone. Uh-oh, his thing's starting quick. Okay, so I do a quick luminize. I'm a hurrying. My whole life is in a hurrying. Okay, these are available on my website. Make sure you are in VIP Beauties Lounge. I'm going to use option B of our Kudos bundle deal today, where you get to pick any 4 shadows and you get a lash crack. So I'm going to get my fluffy crease brush. Quick, relaxed. I love this. It's like a metallic pink. Isn't it so pretty? Can you guys see? Yeah, you could probably hear Jason rapidly typing in the background. I'm just waiting to get the look. And good lordy, it is humid. Okay, with my crease brush, we're going to put a little Agile. Now, good eye brushes are something, you know, if you don't have good eye brushes, they really, really can make a huge difference on how your eyeshadow looks. Mega Bag must have fluffy crease brush. Basically the crease brush and the blending brush all in one. But I like to show you guys options. Now in the bundle deal, let's do a little trusting right up here. One of the options is you get to pick 4 of these pressed shadows. I absolutely love these because they're mixable and they're mixable and matchable. You could customize them, so no more of that running out of one favorite color and having to buy a whole new palette. They're magnetic. You just pop them in and out of your little quad. Okay, that's like a perfect, simple day look. I'll fix that blending in a second. Oh my goodness, it's humid. What's the temperature where you're at? It's so humid and my phone has been overheating. Normally I have a fan next to me, but I've been having some eye issues, so I think that, you know, the dust from the fan. So I'm really hot. Okay, lash crack. Make sure you're in VIP Beauty's Lounge. Get on my Twisted Epic pre-order list as I poke myself in the eye. I'm almost done, Jace, almost done. Twisted Epic does not have fibers in it. It has 2 wands in 1 tube. And I am so excited to get mine and share it with everyone. My daily go-to, however, is my 4D one-step fiber mascara that I call Lash Crack. So you wiggle and jiggle at the base of your lashes. Get your twirl on and boom. Let me slap on some lipstick. So my oldest daughter told me to check out that show Dirty John. So my brother-in-law and I stayed up till 1 in the morning last night watching it. Okay, I'm normally in bed between like 9 and 10 every night and up between like 4 and 6. I went to bed at 1 and I woke up at like 7:45. I slept in. Okay, this is Curvaceous Red. You know, I need a little confidence today. I love the wand on our Crush lip powders. Oh, and I'm using the new ring light, so let me know what you guys think, if you like it better. Let me fix that little oops I did. Okay. Slap on some regular Epic. See, that's what I'm most excited about for that new Twisted, because it has 2 different wands. I will actually post a picture of the wands. And it has a smaller, thinner one to get all those little itty bitty lashes, and then it has a bigger one to give you that length and volume that we all love, you know, the look of falsies. And that's all she wrote. So thank you for joining me today, Renee Feitman Makeover. Let me know what questions you have. Okay. And thank you for hitting that lower right hand SH bloop bloop. Ends with an ARE button. Spread love and confidence to all your friends. Have a fantastic, beautiful day. I'll talk to you guys soon.